go. I'm surprised I never got the chance to draw this Pokemon. I hardly ever got to see this one. First of all, I haven't exactly got the chance to catch its prior form. And, well, I've recently been watching it in battles, but not like this. Anyway, the name of this Pokemon, we're going to draw Aromatisee. One of the original fairy types from the Kalos region. I consider Aromatisee as one of the, well, top 5 fairy types in the Kalos region. Mega Evolved Pokemon from the Kalos region? Well, I consider that as one of them. You ever seen Sylveon and Aromatisee work together? Well, I haven't. Well, I feel like I have. That's really a rare thing. If they had a team-up set for the card collection, I would do that. I definitely do that. Huh. There we are. Here's his fingers. Now we draw this mark here. This is her leg. Another thing about Aromatisee, this Pokemon evolves from Spritzee by link trading, which I really think was a really annoying function. Thanks a lot, creators of Pokemon! Because of you, Pokemon creators, you made the game difficult. I didn't understand how to use the Wi-Fi. So you deserve a serious glare for something like that. Now to draw the other foot. There we are. Let me just fix that up. There we are. There we are. That's how you draw Aromatisee. Perfect. And with only a few minutes to spare. Not to worry, folks. There'll be more Pokemon like this in the playlist. You can check it out anytime you want. I was supposed to draw another Starscream, but what the heck. Maybe next episode.